अंजुणा डिसेंबरात ईडीएम जाता म्हणून जायराती आणि चर्चा, मात सरपंच म्हणतात तांच्याकडे अजून अर्ज आयल्लो ना.
सद्याक तरी येवंक ना. हाली थ्रू पेपराचेर कितें आमी आयकलां पूण अजून आमकां येवंक ना. येयल्या उपरांत जे एप्लिकेशन येता ते आमी मिटिंगीक हे करतले. वील सीट टुगेदर नो. इट विल बी अ कलेक्टीव डिसिजन ऑफ ऑल द 11 मेंबर्स. वॉट द मेजॉरिटी थिंक्स वी विल गो अँड वॉट इज गुड फॉर द विलेज.
ईडीएमाची सुवात अंजुण कायसूक कमुनिदादीच्या हद्दीत. तांचेकडेन खंय एनओसीक अर्ज आयला. कमुनिदादीन तो कमुनिदाद प्रशासकाक फॉरवर्ड केला. थंयच्यान अजून जाप आयिल्ली ना. ईडीएमाक एनओसी दिवंक प्रेशर टॅक्टिक्स चल्ल्यात म्हूण एक्टिविस्टांक दुबाव.
Hotel, restaurant is raided by FTA and the others are let go. There are many other restaurants here and no action is being taken against them, but only a local who is the president of the Kamdad and whose permission is required is being blackmailed to be given for permission to be given for the land to be given to the event management company.
सनबर्न गोंयच्यान पुण्या गेले. थंय ते आपटले. टुरिस्ट गोंयांत येता तो ईडीएमा खातीर न्ही. सरकारान आदल्या ईडीएमाची वसुली करची. ईडीएमाक परमिशन दिता जाल्यार खंय ते ऑक्टोबर नोव्हेंबरात दिवचे, डिसेंबरात नाका.
They have not yet recovered the money. So why is it that the government shows this type of lackadaisical attitude in not trying to recover that money from these event management companies, which they should have done it because it is a criminal case. For the last 3 years, this company has not paid the amount. I would request the DGP to immediately file case against Messrs. Percept and get all the money recovered. So now the government talks that, oh, it is going to be a revenue generating this. It is, if it was a revenue generating project, then how come it became a flop in Pune? This is not in the interest of the locals. We do not mind the event taking place in October, November, because then when it is off season, we will get tourists from this event management company. But at now, in the peak season, we have enough tourists, and the tourists which we require are enough to feed us for the full year.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्यामसुंदर फडते.